Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. There are signs everywhere that the XRP comeback is about to begin. And there are some people that are too stupid to recognize this, but based on historic precedent, based on the environment that we're in right now, look at the key metrics. Yes, that is what is most probable. In fact, take a look at a few of these headlines, because if you believe that the same as I do, let me just assure you, you're not the only one, I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people out there that believe that. Certainly on the retail side, but on the institutional side as well. Here's part of a headline from you today. XRP Comeback Begins. Here's another one. XRP volume skyrockets by 75% as market regains momentum. And I want to talk about specifically why that's important. Here's a post, an article from the Crypto Basic. Grayscale reinvests in XRP, now holds 16.7 million XRP after exiting Cardano. Now, this is on an institutional level. Grayscale, very well-known firm in the world of crypto, been around for a hot minute, right? They think it makes sense to hold more XRP at this time rather than less. Yet there are some idiot sticks out there insisting that XRP, because reasons, will be the only large cap coin that's just not going to run. We're going to have a full-blown bull market. Bitcoin price goes to 11 billion, and because of reasons, of course, and other altcoins are going to follow, but not XRP. Just because of reasons, folks. I keep seeing this, and it makes me chuckle. I get the lulls out of it. But anybody that has half a brain and is being intellectually honest, and they're not ideologically poisoned as the typical Bitcoin maxi trolls are, you can see that this is the moment in time where it's going to happen. If it's going to happen, it's more or less going to be in this time frame. XRP will start moving. And it's so obvious. That's why it'll be a fun see I told you so in hindsight. But anyway, before going further, I do want to be clear, I do not have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice. And you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos about crypto-related topics, but just as a hobby and just for fun. So I want to highlight part of this first piece. They were talking about Bitcoin and some other stuff too, but they briefly talk about XRP, so I thought I'd highlight this as well because it's further recognition that there's a very reasonable chance that we're going to be seeing some serious moves to the upside for XRP. After a tough period of time for XRP, there is some good news. XRP has moved above its 100-day exponential moving average, or EMA, again. Right now, the price of XRP is 59.67 cents. Now, of course, so this was written earlier in the day, and we know that Bitcoin led the way to the upside. XRP, being part of the asset class, moved with it. Surprise, surprise. Sorry, all you damn fools out there who think that XRP is just not going to move in tandem. Again, on a daily basis, just about, we're seeing that is not true. And it hasn't been the case for the entirety of XRP's existence. And yes, I understand that XRP has been, for years now, falling against Bitcoin. That is normal, and you should expect it. It would be weird if that wasn't happening going into a bull market. That's what would be weird. The fact that it is happening, you should expect it to and be like, good, we're on track. Because that's what's happened before. Bitcoin leads the way out, XRP lags behind until suddenly it doesn't. That's it. It's not more complex than that. You don't need to be a chart analyst, and I'm not, but you don't need to be one to understand that. Piece continues. Breaking the 100 EMA line is important because it can be a sign that the price might start moving upward once again. If XRP can keep up this momentum and stay above the 100 EMA, the next big test will be the 50-day EMA, which is at about 62 cents. If XRP can break through this too, it might just prove that it is ready to climb toward a yearly high once again. And I won't be surprised to see that in the least. In fact, take a look at the volume here, the headline from you today. XRP volume skyrockets by 75% as market regains momentum. XRP, the sixth largest digital asset, has experienced a surge in trading volume, witnessing a staggering 88% increase. Excuse me. According to CoinMarketCap data, XRP's 24-hour trading volume is higher at 87.9%, amounting to $1.56 billion worth of trades. This significant uptick in trading activity comes as bullish sentiment revives across the cryptocurrency market, signaling renewed investor interest and optimism. With Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies enjoying price increases and reclaiming prior price levels, confidence in the market's bullish momentum has been reignited, spurring increased activity across the board. Bitcoin, the first and largest cryptocurrency by market value, extended its comeback from the weekend, reaching an intraday high of $72,624, its highest level since April 1st. XRP tracked Bitcoin's price action, trading in the green at press time. Well, wouldn't you know it, XRP tracked Bitcoin's price action. But again, some people say, nope, XRP is just not going to participate. No new all-time high for you. Reminds me of that Seinfeld episode. No soup for you. Come on, man. Like, it's not logical. And so as far as the volume, why does this matter? Why does the volume indicator matter? Well, typically when you see a buildup in volume, especially massively, like to this degree, it means something's going to happen. It frequently means you're going to see a break up or down. Now, given that we're in a bull market, unless something disastrous happens to the entire space, what do you think is most likely? If you're talking about this much volume preceding a notable move, what's your bet? Up or down? My bet would be up unless, and this is the caveat, unless Bitcoin actually breaks to the downside, which is possible, it could happen. But outside of that, what's most probable? I mean, massive volume and we're in a bull market. Look at the environment. We're going to pretend like that's not positive for XRP. Of course it is. And institutions, as I cited at the outset, recognize that XRP is long-term viable as well, or else Grayscale wouldn't be doing what they're doing. The headline from the Crypto Basic, Grayscale reinvests in XRP, now holds 16.7 million XRP after exiting Cardano. Grayscale Investments, the most prominent crypto asset manager, has adjusted its digital large cap, or DLC fund, by divesting from Cardano and reallocating the proceeds towards acquiring XRP and other existing assets. Grayscale officially communicated this move through a press release detailing the fund's quarterly rebalancing. The rebalancing concerned several of the firm's investment products, specifically its digital large cap fund, smart contract platform X Ethereum fund, and DeFi fund. According to the report, Grayscale modified its DLC's portfolio by liquidating its Cardano holdings. Consequently, the firm diverted the cash returns from the sale to acquire other assets in the fund. After this rebalancing, XRP makes up 1.73% of Grayscale's DLC fund. Notably, Grayscale's DLC fund has, I'll just use a round number here, $570 million in assets under management, per record from its official website. Now, I will acknowledge, of course, in terms of the percentage, that might sound very small, 1.73%, but you got to understand, like, this is weighted, and where do you think the most money is likely to go? It's going to be largely based on what are the market caps of their coins. You know, look at Bitcoin, look at ETH. Bitcoin, $1.4 trillion the market cap. ETH, $435 billion. XRP, only $33 billion. So it stands to reason that, it would be smaller. But I'm just telling you, if there was something disastrous for XRP obviously ahead, as some Bitcoin maximists would have you believe, Grayscale would not be doing this. They do not agree with that sentiment. They believe XRP is going to be worth more in the future, or they wouldn't be doing this. Plain and simple. And these are not, these people are not idiots. This is institutional level XRP investment right here. It couldn't be more obvious. And again, that's why I wanted to cite all of this in the video. Look at the environment that we're in with the volume and everything. It's incredible. That's why 2024, while it's already been a really fun year and very exciting, the best is yet ahead. The crazy stuff for XRP hasn't even actually started yet. So talk about an XRP comeback. Yeah, it's in the works. Piece continues. As expected, Bitcoin maintains the largest share of Grayscale's DLC fund, accounting for 70.96%. Following Bitcoin, ETH holds the next significant portion at 21.85%, and Solana with 4.52%. Meanwhile, Avalanche makes the least composition with 0.95%. Also, as of the end of Q1 2024, the firm has reported no new token additions to its DLC fund. It's all cool stuff, folks. Just like the writing's on the wall. Look at all of these things happening. This is why I love running this channel, because on a day-to-day basis, there are so many things, and then if you're paying attention, and I know you guys are, you can see, like, take the information that it is out there from one day to the next, to the next, to the next, and put it all together. And it's clear that what is, although not guaranteed, what is most probable is XRP blasting to the upside, hitting a new all-time high, and entering price discovery. That is what I believe, anyway, is most probable. What do you guys think? You guys tell me. But, like, basically, my attitude towards this is, duh. That's pretty much, sum it up in one word. Duh. That's pretty much it. I'm not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.